Oh, I'm with Dr. Carla Cohn today at GDIQ 2023. How are you today?
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you.
How's your journey here at in Montreal with the participants?
Oh, wonderful. I'm loving Montreal. I love JDIQ. It's fantastic, fantastic meeting. My participants are engaged and intelligent and excited. So, very, very happy.
Wow, wow. I had some questions for you today. One of the question was, what has been the most challenging aspect of pediatric dentistry over the years?
Always, it's the patient behavior and management and having our patient do what we need them to do to get the job done. That's number one, always.
And what is the most gratifying aspect of the pediatric dentistry?
Well, I think there's a few really gratifying aspects, but if you want to choose just one, it is changing that fearful, apprehensive, or anxious patient into a cooperative, happy patient. Always.
Wow, wow. Okay. And how would you describe the child of 2023?
So I've been doing this for a few decades now, and I think that children in general have become maybe a little bit more challenging over the years than they used to be. I think that our parenting has evolved, and our parenting has evolved, and so has our child's behavior.
So do you think they're more anxious or?
I think that there is a lot of anxiety out there, and I think that we do have more anxious kids now than we've had in the past, for sure.
Okay, that's a little bit sad, but
It is because it doesn't need to be that way. Dentistry is not, it doesn't, it can be a safe and it can be a positive and it can be procedures that don't hurt, and we still have that stigma that we are fighting against, that we need to get across to our patients that we're kind and we're caring and we're gentle.
I have that a challenge with my 7-year-old.
Yes,
Yes, she is anxious to go to the dentist.
I understand. I do.
And what drives you in your practice today?
Well, I think what drives me in the practice is just continuing to give the best care. But definitely, all of this that I do in teaching has become very integral as part of my practice and trying new materials and new techniques and bringing that new technology out to my participants that come to my courses, I think is incredibly gratifying to be able to pass that along to others so that they can give that to their patients as well.
I just interviewed one of your participants, and he was amazed how many materials that he could have in hand that he didn't even know about.
Well, and this is just it. Our dentistry, our community, our manufacturers evolve, and we have so many new things that are developed every year that come to us. And it's our obligation to our patients to stay abreast of the current changes and to be able to deliver that to our patient. And the point behind doing these types of courses, particularly the hands-on workshops, is so that our participants can try these materials. Because otherwise, how can they be exposed to them? And to be able to take back what they like and what works for their practice is huge and immensely impactful.
And you are a superhero coach.
Well, I don't know about that. Well, thank you for saying. I just do my little bit in my little way, and if it has some good further reach, then I'm very happy for that to happen.
Thank you for being here and, just sharing your practice and your best practices and helping the dentistry superheroes all over the world. So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's my pleasure.
Thanks.